components or conditions that could result in drivability concerns, including misfire, malfunction indicator lamp or MIL-on, hesitation, lack of power, and a rough-running engine. Bent rods can cause drivability concerns. Pistons that are cracked or broken can cause low compression, resulting in misfire. Piston rings that are worn or broken can cause low compression, resulting in misfire. Cylinder heads that are warped or cracked can cause low compression, resulting in misfire. A cylinder head with blocked coolant passages can cause misfire, MIL-on, hesitation, lack of power, rough idle, or a rough-running engine. A worn valve seat or guide or dislodged guide can cause a misfire. Damaged motor mounts can transmit vibration from the engine to the chassis, causing symptoms similar to rough idle. Scored or damaged cylinder bores cause loss of compression, resulting in misfire and lack of power. A block that is warped or cracked or has blocked or restricted cooling passages can cause drivability concerns. Carbon buildup on the backs of the valves can cause drivability concerns. The carbon absorbs fuel, which results in a lean fuel mixture in the combustion chambers. Carbon buildup on a valve stem can cause a sticking valve. Carbon buildup on a valve face can keep the valve from closing. Either condition can cause a drivability concern. A galled or seized valve stem caused by lack of lubrication can result in misfire. A worn, broken, cracked, burned, or bell-mouthed valve can cause misfire. Leaking valve stem seals can cause oil to enter the combustion chamber. This may lead to carbon buildup and the drivability symptoms associated with carbon buildup. A camshaft and lifters damaged by contamination, lack of lubrication, or incorrect oil viscosity can cause drivability concerns. A worn cam lobe can cause drivability concerns. Sludge in the lifters can cause drivability concerns. A scored follower could become dislodged and cause engine misfire. Valve train actuation components that are worn due to contamination could cause drivability concerns. Bent push rods could cause drivability concerns. A worn, stretched, or damaged timing belt or timing chain can cause drivability concerns due to valve timing problems. Broken timing gear teeth can cause drivability concerns due to engine timing problems. A seized timing belt idler pulley can damage the belt, resulting in drivability concerns. Excessive oil pressure due to a stuck closed relief valve or incorrect oil viscosity may pump up the lifters and hold the valves open. A ballooned oil filter is an indication of this condition. Cylinder wall scoring can be caused by catalyst failures, turbocharger failures, excessive oil consumption, fuel mixture, bent connecting rods, aftermarket modifications, and cylinder misfire.